Dear baby girl, a smart single woman budgets for routine car maintenance. Not only will this ensure optimal performance, but proper car care can also serve as a hedge against predators that target female drivers stranded on roadsides. Therefore, to reduce the likelihood of car problems, I suggest allocating money in your budget to cover routine auto maintenance and do your best to stick with the manufacturer's recommended service schedule. If money is tight and you feel you cannot afford the full cost of the scheduled maintenance, contact the auto service department and ask which repairs or services you can occasionally skip to save money and which services should be a priority to keep your car safe and running smoothly. If your auto warranty has expired, consider using a certified non-dealer mechanic. You will probably save money as long as the mechanic continues to follow the recommended maintenance schedule and using quality auto parts. The right mechanic can save you money and keep your car performing well and providing safe, reliable transportation. In closing, always remember, if you need my help when life seems unfair, you can always come home, and your dad will be waiting at the top of the stairs. Signed with all my love, your dad.